How to drive long distance with a cat. Cats like routine, and so traveling with one can cause stress. If you have to move or want to take a long car journey with your cat, you may be concerned about its comfort and safety. By gathering the right supplies and preparing your cat beforehand, you can make the trip as pleasant as possible. Preparing for travel with your cat. Make sure that your cat is healthy enough for travel. Trips in a car can be physically and emotionally stressful on cats. Before you embark on yours, have your veterinarian review your cat's health and make sure it is healthy enough to travel. You can also discuss with your vet whether or not feline sedatives are a good idea while traveling with your cat. 3. These can calm some felines, but your cat may react badly to the medicines, or it may wear off during the trip. Never give your cat a sedative designed for humans. Get a carrier. Well ventilated. Large enough for your cat to sit, stand, turn around, and lay down in. Made of a sturdy material, whether soft, cloth or mesh, or hard, plastic or wire. Get your cat used to its carrier. Try short trips first. Pack a cat traveling kit. Favorite toys, pillows, blankets, etc. Food and water. Bowls. A litter box and litter. A waste scoop and/or plastic bags. Brushes, combs, and other grooming supplies. Any medications your cat takes. A pet first aid kit. Ask your veterinarian about getting one. Travel papers showing vaccinations, health records, etc., if needed in your destination. Collar your cat. If you wish, you can also have an identifying microchip placed in your cat. 14-15. Feed your cat before starting the trip. If you and your veterinarian have decided to give your cat sedatives, make sure to give it a dose prior to your trip, according to instructions. For trips under 2 hours, you won't need to feed your cat on the road. Otherwise, feed it every 2 to 3 hours. Your cat may not want to eat or drink while traveling. 17. Don't feed your cat while moving in your vehicle, as there are risks that it could choke, become sick, or get loose in the vehicle. If you need to feed your cat en route, stop first.